Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to buy a phone number on GoHighLevel. This is an important setup step if you want to make calls, send text messages, run SMS campaigns, manage conversations, or use automation inside your GoHighLevel account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each screen means, and how to confidently complete your purchase without any guesswork. Once your number is set up, you can start using it for lead follow-ups, appointment reminders, missed call text back, review requests, and customer communication. First, head into your GoHighLevel account and open the location or sub-account where you want this phone number to live. Numbers are tied to specific locations, so make sure you're in the right one before you begin. This is especially important if you manage multiple businesses or clients, because the number should be connected to the exact location that will use it. Once your dashboard loads, we'll move into the settings area where phone numbers are managed. Look toward the lower left corner of the screen and click Settings. This is where most location-level tools and account setup options are found. In the Settings menu on the left side, select Phone System. This is your central hub for everything related to calling and texting inside GoHighLevel. From here, you can manage numbers, check number capabilities, and prepare your account for communication features. You'll see any existing numbers here, along with options to add new ones and manage capabilities. If this is your first time setting up a number, this area may look mostly empty, and that's completely normal. Next, click Add Number. This opens the purchase flow. On the following screen, click Add Phone Number to start searching the available inventory. This is where GoHighLevel lets you browse numbers that are available to buy for your selected location. The wording may feel a bit repetitive, but both buttons are part of the same process. One opens the tool, and the other begins the actual search. Just follow the prompts step by step, and you'll move through the setup smoothly. Now choose the country for your new number. Pick the country where your customers are based or where you want to display a local presence. For example, if your business serves customers in the United States, you may want a US number. If you are targeting a specific city or region, choosing the right country first helps narrow the search properly. Availability and pricing can vary by region, so setting the country first helps show the most relevant options. This also helps make sure the number supports the type of communication you need, like calls, SMS, or MMS. Click Filter to narrow down the results. Use the filters to target what matters to you, like a preferred area code, a specific city, or capabilities such as voice and SMS. Filters are helpful because they let you choose a number that feels familiar and trustworthy to your audience. If you care about local presence, try entering the area code your audience recognizes. If results look sparse, broaden your filters slightly to see more choices. For example, instead of searching only one exact area code, you can try nearby area codes or remove a city filter to unlock more available numbers. From the list that appears, choose the number you like and click it. Take a moment to review the capabilities shown next to the number. Don't just pick the first number you see. Make sure it fits how you plan to communicate with your leads or customers. Icons typically indicate whether it supports voice, SMS, and MMS. Select the option that matches how you plan to use it, whether that's calling, texting, or both. If you're planning to send text reminders, SMS support is important. If you're planning to receive calls, voice support matters. And if you want to send images or media, check for MMS capability. When you're ready, click Proceed to Buy. You'll see a final confirmation with pricing details. Confirm your selection to finalize the purchase. Before confirming, quickly review the number, country, capabilities, and cost so you know you're buying the correct option. After a brief moment, the new number will appear in your phone system list under the same location, ready for you to use in your workflows, campaigns, and conversations. From there, you can connect it to automations, assign it to team communication, use it in conversations, or add it to marketing campaigns where phone and SMS follow-up are needed. That's it. You went to Settings, opened the phone system, added a number, filtered for the right match, selected it, and proceeded to buy. Once you've done this once, the process becomes very easy to repeat for other locations or client accounts. If you ever need to adjust filters and try again, you can repeat the same steps. And if you don't find the perfect number right away, try searching again with a slightly different area code, city, or capability filter. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your new GoHighLevel number set up. Now you have a dedicated number ready to support your calls, texts, automations, and customer conversations inside GoHighLevel.